Industrial organizations around the globe need computers that can operate in rugged environments. Simply NUC's embedded and industrial solutions can do just that and more. Compared to traditional tower PCs, our mini computers are powerful, energy efficient, and compact. They keep industrial applications and operations running smoothly, despite the rough surroundings. Due to their compact design, mini PCs can easily be mounted to workbenches, walls, and the backs of monitors, making it the first choice for compact spaces or embedded IoT applications. Simply NUC's rugged units thrive in hot, dusty, and humid environments 24/7. They are shock and vibe tested and certified to ensure safe operation. Some of our mini PCs can operate continuously in harsh environments without the use of a cooling fan, which means particle intrusion is minimized even in a dusty warehouse. But which mini computer will best suit your operational needs? If you're looking for longevity, the Chapel Rock is built to withstand the test of time with a 7-year supply guarantee and is able to manage heavy workloads with Intel's latest generation embedded processors. Creating a digital kiosk or deploying your factory lines? Simply NUC motherboards or our Porcool Pine chassis are excellent choices for you. Its versatility and reliability make Everglades the best choice as an edge server for sensor networks or as an entry-level media player for digital signage. Mini PCs deliver the same performance associated with larger systems, but consume far less energy. This enables businesses to reduce electricity usage and operational costs by 50%. Customize your mini PCs based on your organization's needs, how many you need, when you want them, and to your exact specification. That's Simply NUC.